Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafted by Norma. Just some finds that I had managed to get my hands on at a flea market the other weekend. Most of it cost me less than £1 each, and it was a great day. The first finds that I got, I'll just move these few things out of the way, was this lovely little book which I believe has been printed in the 1940s into the 1950s with some beautiful artwork in, as you can see there. It was printed and it was in London, Glasgow, Bombay and Toronto in Canada. There's some, as I say, some beautiful artwork. It's a little poetry book. And then on the very, very next stall I came across a similar book, again with all the beautiful images, but this one was printed in, where is it now? Where are we now? It says here somewhere, 1997. And again, it's got some lovely images. It's got more images than the first little book that's there. So to give you an idea of the difference, where are we now? Put a little tag in there. So that's the Tulip Fairy, image from 1997, and then here we've got the other one, I think, is from the 1940s. To give you an idea of, let me just move that out of the way. The same image. This one's on a glossier paper. This is on a more vintage paper. And the same little poem. Now the interesting thing with this is every now and again you have two blank pages, which we wouldn't waste that paper today. I'm surprised they did in those days, but just lovely images on those ones. The other book that I came across, which was published in, I'm going to put my hand across there, which was published in 1927. There's some images in here that aren't politically correct, can't say that. So some of the pages I won't be showing you. And again, as I say, it was published in 1927 when things were slightly different. So let's just go to the first pages. So there you can see a lady looking through the window. Looks like a nursery maid, and again the little girl sitting on her knee. I think they're just lovely images. Lovely images. I'll say there's one or two images that's in there that's not politically correct, and therefore I won't show all the images. I didn't want to offend anybody, but one of the cottage there, and again on vintage paper, just like the images and the fact that it was an old style book, but really like that one. The next one was a bird's book. Now I can actually remember having one of these when I was a child, and I got it as a gift from school for behaviour. I think mine was. Wasn't particularly academic at school, and again this one was a prize awarded to Brian. And that was in 1964, when I would have been, 12, so not far off the same time scale. And obviously it's the Observer's Book of birds. And again, some lovely images, both black and white and colour. Loads and loads of different images on this, and then details about the birds themselves. Yeah, so quite a nice little find. So made up with that one. The other one was just a pack of cards. So I'll show you what I'll do with those a bit later. This was an unusual one. It's label holders for binders, books, etc., etc., with the sticky label there that comes off and then adheres. So again, I'll be using that somewhere in my ephemera and ready for my junk journaling. And then the last one, which I was really pleased with, was a hoard, I don't know what you call a group of stamps, Most of them are British, lots of them are Christmassy ones, so I'm going to have to sort the Christmassy ones out. But also mixed in there is some vintage stamps, which is quite cool. So I'm going to have to spend a rainy afternoon just looking through these and trying to set them apart, because there's some really lovely colourful ones in there. So that is my hoard from going to the flea market the other weekend. As I say, great find, really happy with what I've got my hands on, and I'll be showing you what I'll be doing ready for my ephemera, for my junk journals. So watch this space. If you've enjoyed watching, please give me the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the page. That would be great. Thanks very much. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks. Bye.